What up, YouTube? So today is gonna be the first test drive that I've ever been in a Lamborghini Huracan Evo, and this is supercharged by VF Engineering, and it's pushing some pretty good power. Pretty much a spaceship right here. About to go for a little test drive and show you guys how Lamborghini feels, which is like a dream for me for sure. So let's go see how this thing feels. This is crazy, man. This is sick right here.
Top off opens it up. It's not too small in there, huh? It's like perfect for people our size.
Yeah, I mean,
a little bigger.
It's
not too uncomfortable.
You said the McLaren is way more uncomfortable, huh?
Yeah, because the leg space is like smaller. Like you got to keep your legs closed. This one has more leg space.
Yeah, I like this. It's like roller coaster, like with your hands.
Yeah, the top it kind of gives it the more open feel. With the coupe is kind of too like.
It's too small, huh? Yeah. I thought it'd be the opposite. You know, like the coupe would be a little bit more, but I guess it's the top.
Yeah, when the top's off, I think it changes it up for sure.
Man, that torque is stupid, man. That's instant. It's got like electrics.
That was kind of like a half a. You're like, all right, you want to line it up? Where are you going?
A little scat. This is what dreams are about right here, man. Right. This is it right here. I don't see why you want to give this up to that fast, man. This is something that, you know, like, yeah, this is something else right here, man.
G-force on that one.
Damn.
Gotta play with it. It has some pull though. It's reactive.
You don't like. You can watch Daily Driven Exotics all you want, but you don't see this. Like this feeling right here is stupid, man. I don't see how they. This is crazy.
I got fun in this all day. It's adrenaline rush all day.
I'd be sprayed though too at the same time because this is.
Yeah, after a while you're like, all right. You just gotta find the open roads. That Sunday, you know what I mean? Other people with other cars. Like my boy had a track. I think there's a track up there by you in Victorville that they like rented out for the day. It was like
the drift track?
I think so.
Okay, I have to get a
I think he rented it out for the day. All the little exotics went up there.
Yeah, this is definitely a dream. That exhaust is
a daily
sick,
driver
though.
too, though. You know, like it's not too like jerky when you're just trying to cruise it. You know
Yeah.
Yeah, that exhaust pops, so you need the exhaust.
Yeah, I see why you put it on there. I see why definitely like
the exhaust. Because then you're trying to chase the supercharged whine, and so you drive it more faster. The exhaust makes you kind of slow down because you're too loud, you know?
Yeah.
You don't get pulled over, so you're like, all right, stop. Let me stop hitting it.
That bat wing in the back.
Right.
This is crazy, man.
Put some gas in this thing. It's a guzzler too.
Oh shit! I bet. I bet you that was
that V10 sucked me right up.
Yeah.
With the supercharger, right?
This was 700 horsepower.
Yeah, they said he tuned it down to like 750. Like when they dynoed it, it was like 850. But he said that he like.
Race car driver.
Right? That's what I feel like. You driving a motorcycle damn near, you know, just how the torquiness is like, the responsiveness. You need that open road, you know?
Yeah, there's no streets around here. Yeah.
It's like, let me go.
I wouldn't. This is how it should be, though. Reliable and everything.
Yeah,
and, you know,
nothing
ain't gotta
concerned
worry about
ripping,
nothing.
Yeah.
The power's here.
It's not overly overly fast, but it's enough to where you know you're just doing 0 to 60 like launches. You're not really like
stupid
you know,
though. Like that's like to even go all. Is it even in? It's just in sport right now too.
Not even in course.
Yeah, you don't need it.
Shifting or nothing. That's all automatic shifting. That's the cool thing about it too. Like it shifts how it's supposed to, you know. And it knows if you're pushing it or if you're cruising.
Yeah, like
so if you're just cruising, it'll just shift, boom, boom, boom. It'll go all the way to 5th while you're cruising. But if you're like hitting it, then the gears will go longer. You know, it's pretty crazy. The technology on it's nuts.
Lamborghini. It's gonna be hard to beat this one if you get the Technica.
That's what I'm saying. That's like the next thing, but I don't think you'll get the sound feel of it. You know?
Is it gonna be V8 too?
No, it's a V10. Actually.
Oh, it's a V10. Okay.
Yeah. But I don't know if how you know how they tuned it down or what they did.
You almost can't breathe for a minute, like it's
it gets a little to the side, huh?
It looks really good though for what it is.
Rear, yeah, that's what I'm saying.
This is it almost I don't know how to really explain this car. This car
it's got a good it's got a good basis for sure.
Very good transmission.
That's the thing.
And that's why I see why
but I wouldn't want to I wouldn't want to go overly powered and ruin the transmission.
Exactly.
That's the whole thing. Like you gotta. That's like I think where you really know who people who know cars how much power you can put in the car before you break it.
Exactly.
Anybody could just throw 2,000 horsepower into something, but then it's like, what's the point if you just breaking shit? You know.
But I think that's why VF Engineer is perfect. Like they picked something, they perfected it, and it's worked every single time. Like there's no way that this. Like I said, I think this car will be just as reliable as anything with the supercharger on it, the way they designed it, you know?
They had a 2023 up there that they were about to put a supercharger on. I was like, not even no miles on it. I was like, yeah. I was like, so his warranty's out the window, huh? And he was like, yeah, but they warranty
they
already
too.
know,
like
I was like, all right, well.
When you like I said, when you building something like this, you know what it can take, and you know, and trying to push it is pointless, but to actually be able to maximize performance, and actually, like I said, drive it like a regular car.
Dummy proof too, you know, like you can enjoy it without worrying about, oh, I gotta put it in this mode or that mode, or it's gonna break, you know, going too hard or too fast.
Yeah, this is crazy, man. The top.
See how it's a whole different vibe now.
Yeah.
With the top off at the beach, it's like you get the whole feel. I think, like, all right, this is what it's about, you know? This is American dreaming.
This is a dream right here. This is definitely a dream. Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
And he's ripping around on a Sunday or something, out to hit a canyon with me. Start going on these meets, you know?
And how much we asking for this?
$285.
With the supercharger?
$290. Because the exhaust.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. What kind of exhaust is this?
Rick, 1 of 18.
1 of 18 exhaust.
See it right here. It's got the little stamp on it.
Installed by Sheepy.
All the stock parts too.
It's got the wing right here. This is stupid, man. This
like
is
my drug, you know, like it's my liquor, you know? My little shot. Guess it's like I got nothing else to do but to enjoy her now. Got all summer with her.
I mean, I would take my time. It's definitely worth it.
No rush, right?
No, definitely.
That's what I was thinking. I was like, I don't know why I'm pressing myself to get rid of it. I haven't even enjoyed it, honestly.
All right, guys, this is it. So if anyone is interested, let me know. And if you're serious, this could be yours. If you haven't, like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys in the next video.